Okay, so this is the next update for the same tutorial that I have made previously. Okay, first of all, if you have not seen that tutorial, then please first of all see that, because we're gonna continue from the same code that I have prepared earlier. Okay, so now let's head on ahead. So what we're gonna do, we have done this finding the meaning and all the things, but okay, so let's open a new fresh window better, right? Okay, so yeah, here let me show you how to press a new, means open a new tab. Yeah, this is the one way. Now see here, it's showing one more shortcut key, that's Control and T key. So you have to go ahead, Control and T key, Control and T key to open a new tab. Suppose you want to make 4 tabs, 5 tabs, you can repeat the code by yourself. But let me first of all show you what's exactly the thing itself. Okay, so let's write, sorry, scale capital, time dot sleep. We need to make it sleep for some time. Pause for some time actually. Okay, let me write site1 equals. So this time, let's say that we're gonna open YouTube, favorite site of many people. So this is the site. Let's copy this. Perfect. Yeah. So here, let's paste this thing. Hit enter. Again, follow the same words that we have used. V. Site E. So write site1, site1. It's gonna press enter. This thing will not work. Why? Okay, so before we do these things, let's head on and write one more thing. Prior to GUI.key down, we need to press one key, that's Control and CTRL. It's spelled like this itself. Let's head on one more, prior to GUI.key down, and here you have to write small t, okay, small t. Again, prior to GUI.key up, and it's T. Okay, now what's happening here? Why I have written T first instead of this control key? Because this is, you have to go in reverse order if you are pressing the same thing. Okay, so means if you have pressed this control key first, then you need to press it key up at last. Need to leave it or its key up at last. CTRL. Okay, so this was a small code, and yeah, so it's gonna prior to GUI.type, right? Okay, we need to give it some time now before it's open. So let's write time.sleep, and this time I'm gonna give only 1 second, not much time, because the browser is already open. Okay, so let's see that if this thing works properly. Yeah, now first it should open Google. Perfect. It should search for the meaning of subscribe. Perfect. And now it should open a new tab and find youtube.com. And this works bilkul perfectly, right? Okay, so this way you come to an end for this